Welcome back. In this video we will discuss the next concept, that is a graph coloring problem. So here we are giving color to each and every vertex like maps, different cities having different colors. So here also same thing. So in this graph we are having just an example, 4 vertices are there and with different edges. So here when coming to the definition, two adjacency vertices should not have the same color. What it means? For example, so 1 and 2 are two adjacency vertex, right? Vertices. So here if I give just an example I'm taking, if I give so red color for vertex 1, then second vertex should not have the same color, that is red. I can't take like this. It should not. This is opposite of our constraint. Our constraint means two adjacency vertices should not have the same color. So instead of red, I can take green color, any other color. So this is okay. Again, can I take red color here? No, I can't take, because so 1 and 3 adjacency. So here, so if 1 is red, I can't take 3 as red. So instead of this, can I take green? No. Again, 2 and 3 are adjacency vertices. So again with the same color I can't consider. So instead of G, other colors, for example I will consider blue. Okay, so blue is not, is not same color as any of the adjacency. So I can consider now blue. Like this we have to give the colors to each and every vertex. For example, so again, so for fourth vertex, which what color I can give? So for vertex 1 or vertex 2 green, vertex 3 blue. Again I can I give red color for vertex 4? No, I can't give, because 1 and 4 are adjacency, so it should not have same color. Again, can I give green? So yes, so green color is not adjacency vertex color, that is either red or blue. So I can give. So what is now this combination? First vertex color is red, second vertex color is G, third vertex color is blue, fourth vertex color is green. So this is the combination. Like this combination, how many possibilities, how many combinations we can give colors, and we can found that by constructing state space tree, as we know in backtracking method, right? So by using backtracking, and we are constructing a state space tree so that we can get all possible solutions. Solutions means like this combination. Okay, so now first we will construct a state space tree without taking any constraints, without this constraint. Okay, without constraint. And again we will write state space tree with constraint. Okay, just we will see. With constraint means what is the final state space tree we will get, how many solutions we will get. So in this we will have all those solutions. That is graph coloring problem. And here all the possibilities it will come. Here only the possibilities that obeys your constraint. Okay, we will see that. So that means, for example, how many vertices are there here? 4 vertices. That means tree contains 4 levels. Okay, with how many colors? Here just they may give question like this. That is construct a state space tree for M coloring problem or M coloring graph problem with N is equals to 4, that means 4 vertices, M is equals to 3, that means 3 colors. By using 3 minimum colors, we can also call it as chromatic number. So by using these 3 colors, so how we can apply for 4 vertices, so that we will get all the combinations. So just they may give graph, they may not give graph. So if they not given graph and they given only these numbers, so you can take this as an example. So 4 vertices and 3 colors, that is RGB. So I am considering red, green, blue. That's it, RGB color. Now first we will see how to construct a state space tree without constraint. So how to do that? So just I will consider a root node, starting node, with what is the value of M? 3. That means 3 possibilities are there. Okay, that means RGB. So in first level it is used for vertex 1. Okay, so next again in the second level, so I can give for vertex 2 either red color or green color or blue color. Again, if for the vertex 1, so after vertex 1, So for the vertex 2, this level full of level 2. So again red color, green color, blue color. Again I can give here red color, blue color, green color. Again for the vertex 3, that means next level, again red color, green, blue, red, green, blue, again red, green, blue, red, green, blue. So this is vertex 3, that is third level. In the next level for the vertex 4, again red, green, blue, again red, green, blue, red, green, blue, like that. So this is for fourth vertex. So just now I will consider state space tree without constraint, that is, yeah. So this is our state space tree without considering any condition, that is our constraint, that is two adjacency vertices should not have same color. So if you not getting, I mean if you not taking any condition under this, so definitely you will get, so 1 2 3, so 3, that is the 27 vertices, so 27 into 3, so that means 71 paths we are having total. In these 71 possibilities, so if you consider our condition into our picture, so how many combinations we can found, so that we have to get. Again that means we have to write again state space tree with considering our constraint. This is without considering constraint. If you not consider constraint, then total 71 paths are there. Out of 71 paths, what are the possible paths I can found? So that means write this graph. So okay, I will write here again for your understanding. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is the graph what I consider. So if I give, so this full level is for 1, right? If I give, first I will take R. So if I give for first vertex red color, again can I give for second vertex red color? No, I can't give. So I can eliminate this, I can kill this by using bounding condition, whatever we discussed in the last class. Again backtrack, can I give for the second vertex green color? Yes, I can give. Okay, again, so come to the next. So that means I am considering this, that is for the third vertex. For the third vertex I can give red color. Can I give red color? No, because these two adjacent vertices having the same color. So eliminate that, just kill that node. Again, can I give green color? Can I give green color? No, because so 2 and 3 same adjacency vertex should not have same color, so I can't give green color also. Next, can I give blue color? Yes, yes, now so I can give blue color. Next, come to the next level, that is here. So here means fourth vertex, red, green, blue. So can I give red color here? No, because if you give red color, then adjacency vertex same color, so I can't give red color. So first vertex you can delete. Next, second vertex, first vertex is R, G, B. Next, second vertex is G. Can I give green color? Yes, I can give. So color giving is over. So this is one of the solution. So I got one solution, that is solution 1. So from what is the combination? R first vertex, G for second vertex, blue for third vertex, and green for fourth vertex. Okay, again backtrack, go to the previous node, and again can I give next one more blue color for this? So if I give blue color, so these two adjacent vertices have same color, so I can't give blue color. That means one vertex, one path we found from this. So what is that path? Here just I will write our state space tree by considering this path, I mean by considering our constraint. So what is that? From first vertex I will give red color, just I will see this one. First vertex I will give red color like this. Next, for the second vertex green color like this, green color. Next, for the third vertex blue color, that means like this, blue. Next, for the fourth vertex, that is green, that is center, green color. So this is one solution, this is one combination. Again just go backtrack, so backtrack, so here it will come. So if you give for the second vertex blue color, what will happen? So just backtrack. If for the second vertex if you give blue color, yes, so no two adjacent vertex have same color, so I can give blue color for this. Again for the third vertex, so can I give red color? Just remove this. Can I give red color here? No, because these two adjacent vertex have same color. So next, can I give green color? Yes, I can give, because so here this is second vertex is blue, first vertex is R, so I can give green color here. Next, that means I can't give red color, so I can kill that. I can give green color. Okay, next RGB. So for the fourth vertex, can I give red color? No, because adjacent vertex same color. Next, can I give green color? No, because this and this green color. Next, can I give blue color? Yes, I can give now. So that means, so here, where is that? Yeah, R, B, G and B, this one. So this forms solution 2. So what is the second possibility now? Red color, blue color, green color, blue color. So this is the one more possibility. So just I will write that state space tree here. So red color, next blue color for second vertex. Next for third vertex it is green color. Next for fourth vertex it is blue color. So what is this? This is our solution 2. Okay, again just go backtrack. So we can solve this problem by using backtracking very easily. That's why we are using backtrack instead of using all 71 paths. So we can eliminate so many paths without condition. So if we have conditions, we can eliminate. So again go back, and for the first vertex, instead of giving red color, so just again I will write a diagram for this. So here known space we are having 1 2 3 4. This is the graph, right? The given. Okay, so what we are doing, instead of first vertex red color, now I will give green color for the vertex 1. Okay, if I give green color for the vertex 1, can I give red color for vertex 2? Yes, I can give. Next, can I give red color for vertex 3? No, because these two adjacent vertex same color, so I can't give red color. So that means I can't give red color for this, so I can kill that node. Again, can I give green color for this? No, because these two adjacents 1 and 3 vertex same color, so I can't give green color also. No, I can kill that also. Next, can I give blue color for this? Yes, I can give. Now what I will do? So I will consider for vertex 3, that is blue color. Next, for vertex 4 RGB, can I give red color? Yes, I can give, because 4 adjacent vertex are 1 and 3. So 1 color is green, 3 color is blue. So I can give 4 color as red. So this is one of the possibility, that is for vertex 1 green color, vertex 2 red color, vertex 3 blue color, vertex 4 red color. So this is one of the possibility. So just I will write by using our state space tree. So that is, so for vertex 1 green color, next vertex 2 red color, vertex 2 red color, next vertex 3 is blue color like this. Next for vertex 4 it is red color. So this is our solution 3, right? So again backtrack. So where it will go? Here. Again backtrack, here it will come, right? So again for vertex 2, that means backtrack here. For vertex 2 we are giving now green color, just we are checking the combination, same way we are checking for all combinations. So for green, so what is a, so can I give green color for vertex 2 now? No, because vertex 1 already green, so I can't give green color. So I can eliminate this, I can kill that node directly without checking next levels. So again backtrack. Again, can I give blue color for vertex 2? Yes, I can give. So blue color I can give. Next, if I give blue color, so can I give red color for vertex 3? Can I give red color for vertex 3? Yes, I can give, because third vertex adjacent vertex 2 and 1 with different color, so I can give red color. Again for fourth vertex, can I give red color? No, I can't give, because red color already present for 3, so I can't give red color again for 4. So again that means, so red color you can kill that node, kill that path. Again, can you give green color for fourth vertex? No, because 4 adjacent vertex 1, one of the adjacent vertex is 1 and this color is already green, so I can't give green color. again you can kill that green also. Can you give blue color for that? Yes, I can give. So because so 4 adjacent vertex are 1 and 3 with different colors, so I can give blue. So what is the other combinations? G, B, R, B. So this is one of the combination, right? So how to write state space tree for this? G, B, G, B, B, R, okay, R and B. So this is our solution 4, like this. So again backtrack again, give vertex for vertex 1 it is blue color initially. If you give like this, so again 2 more solutions will come. So that is, so see here, if you give for vertex 1 initially it is blue color, okay. Next, so can I give red color for vertex 2? Yes, I can give. Next, can I give again red color for vertex 3? No, I can't give because 2 already there, that is red, so I can't give red color. So R I can eliminate. So can I give green color for vertex 3? Yes, I can give, because these adjacent vertex with a different color, so I can give green. Next, can I give red color for vertex 4? Yes, I can give, because our adjacent vertices, that is 1 and 3 with different colors. So what is the one combination we got? B, R, G, R. First vertex, second vertex, third vertex and fourth vertex. So just we will write that one, and again just backtrack. So where we are, yeah, backtrack. So can I give green color for second vertex? Just 2 times we are backtracking. Can I give green color for vertex 2? Yes, I can give. So initial B, G, green color if I give. So again, can I give red color for this third vertex? Yes, I can give, because these 2 adjacent vertex with a different color are. Again, can I give red color for this fourth vertex? No, I can't give. So can I give green color for fourth vertex? Yes, I can give, because 1 and 3 having different colors. So that is G. So this is one of the combination, and our state space tree look like this. So this is our final state space tree with constant. What is the constant? No two vertices have same color. So that means 2 adjacent vertices should not have same color. So here, by without considering our constraint, without considering our condition, we are having total 71 paths. This is very difficult. That's why we are using our graph coloring problem to solve, and by using finding minimum ways, minimum combinations. So what are the different possibilities with constraint? So only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 solutions we got by using our graph coloring problem. So we can give colors in 6 ways for 4 vertices with 3 colors. Okay, that's it. This is your graph coloring problem. That's it. So instead of 71 paths, so many paths we deleted. That means 60, almost 66 paths we are deleted, and only 6 solutions we got. So this is how we will do by using backtracking, that is a graph coloring problem. Thank you so much.